Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a beautiful day. Guys, Umayeni is having the most. She is having the most at all Shabeni. Hey, untomo, like ubusy usisi, like upholile, kupholiwe nje ubetha umoya. Girl is even receiving hugs. Busy nje. Hayi, uMusa Mseleko will have another stroke. Mayibona ke le ukuthi njani kaloko, because uMusa Mseleko got the rules of he doesn't want a wife that drinks. I think he doesn't want also ukubana amakhosikazi akhe they must wear pants. They're not allowed to wear trousers, because I remember him having an argument noMakhumalo saying bana she wears tight pants that are more than tight, and uthi uyasho bana angifuni umfazi onxiba ibhulukwe. So akamfuni umfazi oselakho. Like the wives are not allowed also to drink alcohol. I stand to be corrected. I'm not too sure, but this is what they've been saying. Ukubana naye uMseleko uyasho ukubana angimfuni umfazi ophuzayo. So it doesn't seem like Umayeni was drinking, but she was surrounded by people that were drinking. It doesn't mean ukubana if you are with people that are drinking ukubana nawe you are drinking. At this time uyasho naye ukubana mawufuna i-peace of mind, just go oShabeni. Kupholiwe nje ilocation, ama-selfie video, like kumnandi nje. There might be his family, maybe abashana bakhe, just that thing of giving us content and chills and keeping us on our toes. She's doing a very good job at that. She's doing a very good job, because now everyone is like, is she done with Musa Mseleko? Is she joining the rest? Because we know vele ukubana uMangwabe was like, hayi, kwafika number 5, count me out. Uze uyatsho naye when she was giving a task to do ideko kaMusa Mseleko ukubana I'm going to do this wholeheartedly. That will be my farewell to Musa Mseleko. So we definitely know ukubana uMangwabe, she's like, count me out, because she had even told her daughter ukubana her and her dad won't be staying together anymore. So maybe she just need a breather until everything else settles down. Yeah, sometimes siyakudinga nkosi yami ukubana sike sibethwe umoya nkosi yami emtshadweni. Uhambe nje. We can see like they are all keeping us on our tippy toes. Like uMangwabe and I had posted looking all beautiful and pretty, drinking a cocktail. It was with his brother. And all cozy. They looked so cute and so beautiful, like a couple kind of thing. But no, they're just teasing and keeping us all on our toes. Like in J, we can see these other 3, they're like, hey, if you wanna live your life to the fullest, Papa, we are doing the same. We are doing the same nje. Abantu baya kuma vacation. Abantu bayazikhupha. Abantu are coming home whenever that they want to. Hey, yazini Musa. Yes, you guys, you were kind of happy nifo. Then when I decided ukubana hayi indoda mina angineliseki. Look now. Hi Shem. Let me know guys, let me know.